Yo, check this out. Saturday, July 6th, we've got a 24-hour challenge. Most of you guys know that I've been involved in affiliate marketing and online marketing for quite some time now. I've been making some good money over the last few months, and this system is absolutely incredible. Saturday, we're launching a 24-hour challenge where you're going to make commissions in 24 hours. Anybody can do this. I need you to go to www.askbiggz.com for more information, and I'm going to shoot you the link. I'm going to get you involved, and I'm going to show you how to make money online. Let's go.